everybody. My name is Joe. I'm the general manager here at Frank's Hideout. We are a private social club. We are building our membership up currently. And we would love to have people come in, take a tour, see everything. We have sports on in the back. We have a game room where you can play different kinds of board games and poker. We have a full bar, as you can see, and we have some small bites to eat as well. And we'll be having live entertainment throughout the season on Thursday nights. So give us a call, make a reservation, come on down.